Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, my fellow crafting friends. This week in Storytime, we talked about cats. Can I get a meow? I love cats. I have 2 at home, so of course this craft was very fun for me. So what you guys are going to make for our cat craft are these cute little kitty cat tube rolls. So you'll get, when you come by the library to pick up your supplies, you will get this template with a kitty cat on it, and of course a TP roll that's empty. So what you'll do is color in that kitty cat however you like. I left this one white because my kitty cat at home, Rudolph Valentino, is all white and very fluffy. And then this one I did like an orange tabby because I used to have a kitty cat that looked just like this. I used colored pencils. I found it a little bit easier because some of the things on this template are very tiny, so you might have a little bit more control using colored pencils than crayons, but you do what works best for you. After you cut out your kitty cat, you will glue it around your roll. And I have this bin full of shiny things and feathers and tchotchkes and all kinds of cool little things that I might need for future crafts. I keep that in my desk, and I just pulled a few things out of there to decorate these kitties. Of course, the template does have a tail on it. I decided to use feathers instead. They were a bit fluffier. But you never know what you might have lying around the house that you could use to jazz up your cool cats. I hope that you enjoy doing this craft. I found it to be very fun, and hopefully after you make your kitty cat, you can post a picture and share with the rest of us. All right, have a wonderful day, my friends, and we hope to see you all very soon. Bye.